Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn about list slicing in Python programming. So what's list slicing? List slicing means getting a portion of a list using index ranges. Let's define a list. For example, age is equal to, I open my square bracket and then my first value is 10. So I continue 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Okay, I defined it. So in list slicing we use colon. We use a colon. I print list using list slicing. So what's my variable name? Age. I open my square brackets. Here my first value will be start and my second value after comma end. It will be like that. So if I want, for example, my start value could be 2, my end value could be 5. So what does it mean? If I run it, you see 30, 40 and 50. So I open my pencil. Here is 0 index. Here index 1. Here index 2. So it starts with index 2 and then index 3 is 40, index 4 is 50, it ends at index 5. Here the nuances is start value is included, but the end value is not included. That's why we see on the screen 30, 40 and 50. Let's do another example. From an index to the end. I will show you parent age and then I open my square brackets. I just give starting point and then I just put comma. So what does it mean? It starts at index 3, so it continue until it arrive to the end. If I run it, you see it starts at index 3. Index 3 is my fourth element, so it continue until the end. And the result became like this. And for example, if I change it a little bit, paste it here. After comma, if I put 3, what it will happen? You see it starts from the beginning and it ends until the index 3. Index 3 is not included. Here at index 0, I have my first element. At index 1, I have my second element. At index 2, I have my third element. And it ends at index 3. Index 3 is not included. So, before the comma, if I put nothing, it starts from the index 0. So, after the comma, here, if I put nothing, it goes to the end. And slicing always return a new list and then we print it. Okay, that's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.